Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have Wi-Fi and a signed Google account. Now open the YouTube app on your Android TV. Use the remote or say, "Hey Google, open YouTube." Once the app loads, navigate to sign in if needed. Make sure your phone or computer is nearby to speed pairing. If prompted, choose Sign in with phone, get the 6-digit code, and keep the screen visible. This gets you from setup to control ready in under 2 minutes. Now link your account. Go to Settings, right arrow link with TV code and show the 6-digit code. On your phone, open YouTube. Com/activate or scan the QR to enter the code. This ties your subscriptions, library, and recommendations to TV. Once paired, use the remote D-pad for menus, press voice for queries, or open the YouTube mobile app to act as a keyboard and remote. Make sure profiles and autoplay settings are adjusted so recommendations feel personal. Play a video and test controls. Pause, seek, captions, and change quality from auto to 1080p or lower if buffering. If you prefer searching on your phone, tap Cast and send videos to the TV for faster typing and queue management. If playback stalls, restart the YouTube app, clear cache in app settings, or reboot the TV. Also check router distance and restart it if needed. This final step gets you stable playback and a simple fix if streaming behaves poorly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.